English Spoken for Kids. Chapter 3. The Name of 7 Days. Saturday, Shonibar. Sunday, Robibar. Monday, Sombar. Tuesday, Mongolbar. Wednesday, Budhbar. Thursday, Brihospatibar. Friday, শুক্রবার। প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, চলো এবার আমরা এই 7 দিনের নাম দিয়ে প্রশ্ন উত্তর শিখে নেই। হাই ঈশা, হাউ আর ইউ ডুইং টুডে?
Alhamdulillah, I am doing well today.
ডু ইউ নো দ্য নেম অফ 7 days?
Yes, of course. They are Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
What day is today?
It's Monday.
What day was yesterday?
It was Sunday yesterday.
What day was the day before yesterday?
The day before yesterday was Saturday.
What day is tomorrow?
It's Tuesday tomorrow.
What day is the day after tomorrow?
The day after tomorrow is Wednesday.
What day is your holiday?
Friday is my holiday.